so loud in here today. I got the 3D printer, 3D printing, and other things going on around me. So last week I had my friend Steve out, and we decided that we were going to make a video of The Legend of Zelda Ocarina of Time. Unfortunately, we just drank the whole time and I totally forgot to make an episode. I always like to have a guest on the show. Who cares? Can't be helped at this point. I've also never played Ocarina of Time, so I figured maybe I should do one that I am familiar with, which is A Link to the Past. I really like this one. I found the Chris Houlihan thing before it was announced. I saw like years after I'd seen it that it was a mystery for years. If you don't know this Houlihan character, he won a contest where he would have a cameo in the game. He didn't even have a cameo, he just had like a secret room where you find a bunch of coins and shit. But whatever, let's watch a video of me playing Legend of Zelda. A dink in your ass! Wait a minute, no, A Link to the Past! Me on Joystick, yeehaw. Help me, please help me. I'm a prisoner in the dungeon of the castle. My name is Zelda. Wizard Hanim has done something to the other missing girls. Now only I remain. Haganim has seized control of the castle and is now trying to Haganin the seven wise men's seal. I'm in the dungeon of the castle. Please, Haganin. Don't leave the house. The fuck, dude? You think I'm just gonna do nothing? For I am Link. Hate this bush and hate this bush. I got $1. I wonder where it could be. This one? This one? Oh shit! What's up, bro? Oh, Neon Joystick, I didn't want you involved in this. Oh shit. I'm killing a bitch! I'm a child, give me a sword. Stealing from the castle. Thank you, Neon Joystick. I had a feeling you were getting close. The wizard! Well, wasn't that a lot of fun? I ran out of space on my memory card because I had it set to the wrong one. I got all the way to the church where you rescue Princess Zelda and the old bastard says he's going to keep her in hiding. Let's talk about what is good about this game. Controls are excellent, graphics, they're cartoony, but for the time, pretty awesome. Totally a Zelda game. You run around, you kill creatures with the sword, you break shit that doesn't make sense, and you steal money from everything. Fantastic! I don't really feel like Breath of the Wild or that other one that came out after it are really Zelda games. They kind of feel like Metal Gear Solid 5 to me. It feels different and strange. Anyway, music is really good. I'm really impressed with the sound quality. I know Super Nintendo had arguably better sound than the Sega Genesis, but like this game in particular. Those beats are so fresh. I like it. Join me next week when we play I haven't decided yet.